Are y'all in need for a portable crumb snatcher? You know, your children leave them crumbs in your house, in the chair, in the car, and, everywhere. And you tired of pulling out that big vacuum cleaner? Well, look no farther, because I got you covered with this Eufy portable vacuum cleaner. And when I tell you this thing charges like lightning, it does. And it comes with a brush attachment along with the charger, okay? So, alright, so I stuck this little brush attachment in, and it works like this. Do 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 do. Clean up like this. Yeah. Well, y'all know where I got it from. I got it from the TikTok shop. So y'all go into that orange shopping cart down below by my name and get you one. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. It's easy to clean. Y'all seen how easy I pop that thing off? Just like that. Yeah. Go and get y'all one.